Hi guys, welcome back to my channel Technology, and today in this video tutorial I will show you guys how to schedule automatic shutdown in your Windows 11 PC or laptop. So you just need to follow me. So firstly what you have to do, you just need to go to your start or search menu window and type over here task scheduler and open task scheduler app. After that click on this create task. On your right side you will get this option, click on create task. Here you just need to put the name, like I'll put over here shutdown, and put the description. You can put anything, like I'm going to put shutdown, and here you can choose the option called run only when user is logged on or run whether user is logged on or not. So I will choose this option. Now click on trigger. Here you just need to click on new, and here you can choose the begin of the task, means one daily basis or weekly basis or monthly basis. So I will choose here daily basis, and start date you can choose from here, start date and starting time. So you can choose any time. I will choose here 6 a.m. okay, and after done you just need to click on OK button. After that click on action tab over here, click on new. Here you just need to click on browse and go under system C drive Windows, then system32 folder. Go under C drive, then Windows folder. Under Windows folder you will get system32 folder, and here you just need to find the exe file called shutdown.exe. So here it is, as you can see. So double click on it. So just select that exe file and click on OK. After that click on OK. So after done, if you will click over here, click on task scheduler library. So here you will get shut down your task. So as you can see. So I hope this quick tutorial will really help for you, and please don't forget to click on the subscribe button, like button and share button. And if you have any queries or question, then comments down below. I will see you guys in the next video. Till then, bye bye, take care.